Once a roaring symbol of power, this 1971 Mustang now sits in silence, forgotten by time. Rust eats away at its frame, the dashboard cracked with the years of neglect, and the seats long past their prime. But beneath all this decay lies the heart of a legend, waiting for a second chance. Each inch of this car tells a story of adventure, of freedom, of endless roads ahead. The years have been harsh, but every stroke of the brush, every part that's been replaced, breathes new life into the spirit of this Mustang. With every step, it's not just a car being rebuilt, it's a dream coming back to life. This isn't just a restoration, it's the revival of something that will never be forgotten.